What up? Woo! This is Mac. I'm going to teach you how to turn ordinary lighters into big, huge flame ones. You gotta go to your dollar store or Target, somewhere that has cheap lighters. They gotta be really cheap. Crack lighters, because that's what crack addicts use, is these cheap little lighters. What you need, a cheap little lighter. What you first do, you take this little metal part, and you pop it off. Then, if you can see, there's like the little gears. You want to lift up this little tab, put it over the gears, bring it back, then push it forward, and do that a couple of times. And then put your little cap thing back on. Alright, there you go. Damn. That was a good one. Sweet.